Why, hello, everybody. So, I haven't done a monthly update in a little while. And part of that is because Steets, our editor, their computer exploded, which is awful. So, Steets now has a new computer, which is great. But also, I've been really busy with stuff. I've been doing all kinds of different things and getting this patch ready. And I have a really cool announcement, which is that Heartbound's next update is now ready. It's finally finished. So the last piece that I have to do is I have to go through and add all of the localization work. So that's what the localization team is working on right now. And we can see here on our master task list, this actually shows everything that needs to be done for Heartbound to be finished. These right here are the last tasks that need to be done up to here. So this is for the next update, and then we are good to go to release that. So right now, French and Spanish are both done. Those are completely finished and implemented, so those localization, like the translators for that are completely done. And then Brazilian, Portuguese, Russian, and Japanese are not done yet. Unfortunately, our Russian translator lives in Moscow, as I've explained before. We still can't get any work from them. I can't legally pay them because of the sanctions. And yeah, that's basically it. So we just have to wait on that. So for our Russian fans, I'm really sorry about this. There's not really much that we can do. We just have to wait. You know, it's been an entire year now, and I hope that this conflict ends soon, and I hope that we can get back to giving you guys a cool video game, you know? So until then, this is what we have for now. The update should be probably in the next week or two, depending on how long it takes them to implement stuff. This work only takes me a day to put that in, and I've already started working on the next areas. So these should be done soon, and we're going to have faster content updates going forward. A lot of this patch, as you can see here, let's pull this over. A lot of this patch was bug fixes, massive amount. I needed to set up the stage for me to release content faster. So the last 2 to 3 months have been me just fixing things. And that includes like fixing all the text boxes around the game, making sure that the system is using less CPU, because on some computers it was actually using too much. It was not performant. Fixing a whole bunch of things throughout, you know, different encounters. There were a few soft locks and things like that. And then little stuff too, like lighting systems were incorrect, or like a lighting system wasn't actually displaying on the front of a character, which I didn't realize that wasn't working since the beginning of forever of the game. So that's now fixed. Lots of little things like that, and I'm actually pretty happy with the result. Outside of that, I fixed other weird things like layering stuff with the pocket watch. The save file having something really weird. The save file actually had scientific notation in it, which is strange. Heartbound also now installs VC++ Redis 2022, and the reason why it's doing that is because Steam doesn't think that Heartbound is initialized unless it's doing that, which is really weird, which is why some of you guys were getting the anti-piracy check on your machine. I've noticed a few people have that. If you do have that, just come talk to me and we can fix that. It's not that big of a deal, so that's good. We know how to fix it. So yeah, that's basically it. And then new content on this. You can now meet the Mossbacks, start their storyline, go through their entire house, have a bunch of cutscenes with them, have a walking scene with them where you can talk to them, and then it ends pretty much right after that, but that's the next scene that I'm working on now, and I expect that scene probably to be done in the next week, most likely. And that means that the translator's going to have rolling work going forward, and I'm going to have rolling work going forward. It is mostly just print the content now, which is good. I think that's going to be really, really nice. Going forward, it's going to be much faster now that I've fixed all these different things. The other thing that's going to be really cool is translation work should speed up soon, and the reason why is because I'm working on a new tool for the translators. I've been using it myself, and this is effectively what they're going to be able to see. You're going to see a text box in this. So let's pull this up. And basically the way that it works is I have a secret room that will show off all the dialogue, and I've been slowly turning this into a tool that the translators are going to be able to use at any time to view the stuff that they're working on as it would appear in-game, with the characters' facial expressions and everything. You see it's a red box right now. It's because that's a missing character. So this is something that I have going forward, trying to build internal tools to make this stuff faster, and it also means we're going to be much faster for future games, too. So this isn't going to be just for Heartbound, this is going to be for everything that we make going forward, which is going to be really, really nice. And you can see down there, the number will actually display the location in the actual text file where this line is. So they know exactly what line is being displayed, exactly how it's being displayed, and what it will look like to the player, which is pretty nice. It's actually going to be really, really good. So yeah, that's basically it for Heartbound. We're ready to go, man. The next update's going to be pretty cool. I don't want you guys to get worried about it. It is a small amount of content, but a massive amount of bug fixes. So I feel very good about that. And some people might be upset that it's not more content, but that's going to be fixed in the coming weeks. I'm not really worried about it. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Outside of that, I have another cool announcement. In the background, secretly, for a very long period of time, not really secretly, but people inside of the Discord know about this, we've been working on a custom Minecraft server. It's called Blockgame, because it's funny to call it Blockgame. But basically, this is an MMO, and we have hundreds of craftable items, hundreds of custom monsters, dungeons, like all kinds of stuff, different worlds, all kinds of stuff that's in there. And we've been having a lot of fun playing it. And I actually just implemented war. So we have townie in there, so you can actually take areas of land, build a town, build a nation, fight against other people, and then you can have wars with them and then like take over smaller towns, all kinds of stuff like that. But yeah, basically it's at blockgame.info, the website, and then the server address is mc.blockgame.info. So if you just want to connect to it, you don't really, care any of this stuff, you just want to play it, and go ahead and go play it. And I have all of the features and all of the commands listed out on the website here for you to see. So tons of professions, auction house, different conflict stuff, land ownership stuff, economy stuff. It's a lot. It's a full-fledged MMO. And I keep building stuff on this on the side, and the biggest thing is it's free. It's free and it runs on vanilla Minecraft. So the only thing you need is version 1.18.2 to 1.19.3. It'll actually play any of those on the same server. And you can do it on both Java and Bedrock on the same server. And it will play console, PC, whatever, even mobile. It'll all play on the same server. It's fully cross-play using Geyser and Via versions, so you can play all of it on one server together, which is really cool. And we have a pretty good community running in there, and it's mostly something I just do on the side for fun. It also will never have any monetization whatsoever. No cosmetics, no loot boxes, none of that at all. I hate all of that stuff. And I just wanted something that I could work on that was fun and for free on the side, and it's something that I just do kind of here and there. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I will be on there soon, actually. I'm going to go play in a minute here. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good time, and I hope you enjoy the new update when it comes out, which is very soon. And I will see you all later. So goodbye, everybody.